Okay, so that is the RMS Titanic. This is Southampton Docks, April 10th, 1912, and I'm holding a third-class ticket. For the next 24 hours, I'm exploring this legendary ship. Boarding has officially started. I paid for third class, but my real goal is to explore as much of this ship as possible. I'll be honest, this is much nicer than I expected. Third class on the Titanic looks better than some hotels I've stayed in. This ship is enormous. Every time I think I've seen everything, I discover another deck, another hallway, or another room. Apparently, this is the famous Grand Staircase. I've seen photographs before, but standing here in person is something completely different. I definitely don't belong here, but nobody has stopped me yet. Let's see how far into first class I can get. This dining room is unbelievable. I'm pretty sure my entire cabin could fit inside this room. Everyone seems completely relaxed. It's strange knowing this peaceful moment won't last forever. Right now, everything feels perfect. The ocean is calm, the weather is beautiful, and nobody seems worried about anything. It's getting colder out here. The ocean is completely calm, and honestly, that somehow makes it feel even stranger. I just overheard something about ice warnings. Nobody seems concerned, but that definitely got my attention. The temperature just dropped fast. Everyone's putting on extra layers, and the ocean feels unusually quiet tonight. I can't explain it, but the atmosphere has completely changed. The ship is still moving normally, yet something feels off tonight. Knowing what happens tonight makes every shadow look suspicious. I've been staring into the darkness, hoping not to see an iceberg. Somewhere above me, lookouts are scanning the ocean for ice. Unfortunately, history says they're about to find something.
Wait, something's happening. Crew members are suddenly moving, and people are starting to point toward the ocean.
Did you feel that? The whole ship just vibrated. That definitely wasn't normal. Most people are already going back to what they were doing. I don't think anyone realizes how serious this actually is. The passengers seem relaxed, but the crew definitely doesn't. Something is happening below deck.
Close the hatch! Secure the area!
I can hear water somewhere below us. If history is playing out exactly the way it should, this is the beginning. The crew is trying to stay calm, but something has definitely changed. Whatever happened below deck is much worse than they're admitting. Okay, now people are uncovering lifeboats. That doesn't seem like something you do unless there's a serious problem. Nobody seems to know what's happening. People are asking questions, but nobody is getting clear answers. They're telling passengers to put on life jackets. I think this situation just became very real. I never thought I'd actually wear one of these on the Titanic. This suddenly feels a lot less like history. The first lifeboat is actually leaving. I don't think most people understand what that means yet. I don't know if it's just me, but the deck feels different. I think the ship is starting to lean. People are starting to panic now. A few minutes ago, everyone was calm, but that's definitely changing. This is getting hard to watch. Some people already know they might never see each other again. Just hours ago, this ship felt unstoppable. Now everyone can see the truth. The Titanic is sinking.
The situation is getting worse fast. Lifeboats are leaving one after another, and finding an empty seat is becoming almost impossible. I just came from below deck, and there's water everywhere. This ship is taking on far more water than anyone expected. I honestly can't believe this. Even now, the musicians are still playing. It's somehow comforting and heartbreaking at the same time. The ship is definitely tilting more now. Walking in a straight line is getting harder every minute. I thought I had a spot on that boat, but it just left. I really don't know what my next move is. I'm heading back inside. There has to be another way to reach the remaining lifeboats. Okay, this hallway definitely wasn't underwater before. Things are happening much faster now. Nobody's pretending everything is fine anymore. People are running, shouting, and trying to reach the deck.
It's strange. Above us, the sky looks completely peaceful. Down here, everything is falling apart.
The Titanic is sinking faster now. I think we're entering the final stage of this disaster. I think those might be the last lifeboats. If you don't have a seat now, your options are running out very quickly. The water has reached parts of the ship that seemed completely safe earlier. This is moving much faster than I imagined. I've checked multiple lifeboats now. They're either gone or completely full. This is becoming a serious problem. Look at the front of the ship. It's noticeably lower than before. There's no hiding what's happening anymore. The crew is still trying their best, but there are simply too many people. I can still hear music somewhere behind me. I honestly don't know how they're still playing. Everyone is moving toward the back of the ship now. That's probably the safest place left. I can barely stand upright anymore. The entire ship feels like it's standing on end. The ocean is actually reaching the deck now. This has gone from dangerous to critical. Wait, did you hear that? Something just happened somewhere across the ship, and everyone around me suddenly looks concerned. Almost everyone left on board is heading toward the back of the ship now. It seems like the highest point still above the water. I can't believe how different everything looks now. A few hours ago, this felt like the safest place in the world.
Everyone seems to be gathering here now. Nobody knows exactly what happens next, but people are staying together. The sky is unbelievably clear tonight. It's strange how peaceful everything above us still looks. The ocean seems much closer now. Every minute, the ship feels a little different beneath my feet.
I'm holding onto this railing just in case. Walking around is becoming much more difficult now.
Right now, all anyone can really do is wait. The uncertainty is probably the hardest part.
Looking around, it's just ocean in every direction. There's no land anywhere, only darkness. People are starting to point toward lights in the distance. Everyone is hoping it's help.
No matter what happens next, people are still looking for reasons to stay hopeful. Honestly, I think that's keeping everyone going. It feels like this night has lasted forever. Everyone is exhausted, cold, and still hoping the situation somehow improves. People keep scanning the horizon for ships. Right now, even the smallest sign of help would mean everything.
I think I can actually see something out there. It might be another ship, but it's still incredibly far away.
After everything that's happened tonight, seeing the first light of dawn feels almost unreal.
The ocean looks completely different in daylight. It's hard to believe everything changed in just one night. There's definitely a ship out there now. I don't think I've ever been happier to see another vessel.
For the first time tonight, people actually seem relieved. You can feel the difference in the atmosphere. History books can tell you what happened, but being here makes everything feel completely different. More than a century later, people still talk about the Titanic. Now I finally understand why. More than a century later, people still talk about the Titanic. Now I finally understand why.
This has been one of the most unforgettable experiences of my life. I'll never look at this story the same way again.
Thanks for joining me on this journey through history. I'll see you in the next adventure.